I've been thinking about one particular thing from the past couple of days. It's like, whatever this world we live in, right? You may call it, like a magical place or simulation, whatever. But, we go through this thinking that, there's always like decisions to make, right? For example, you're on a diet and there's this particular food and you have to decide if you have to eat it or not, and you think that one decision is the right one and the other one is the wrong one. But like, okay, I'm in this position and then I'm thinking like, okay, should I eat it or not? And I think the answer is not, because that's what I made up my mind on. And then if I eat it, then I go to that path, I move to the next thing, and then I think that that is wrong because the path was this one, and so I dwell upon it. But then I've realized that like there's no sad path at all. Like this universe is so beautifully created that everything is for good. Like everything is I think you should be totally grateful for every move, even the wrong ones, because the only thing that holds us back is that I've decided that I want to eat it, and then I eat it, but then I keep thinking, right? If was what I made wrong, because is things happening because I made a wrong choice, and I think that is what we have to cut down on, and you know. Go with it with full confidence and no doubts, because this doubting and this questioning of whether it is right or wrong or whether this was good for me is the path that is holding you back from achieving something good that was made from a mistake of making a wrong choice according to us, which wasn't actually, like. So if you think you made a mistake, just move on in the same path, just continue without stopping. It's just as like how while people dance or do something, like sing or anything actually, and they make a mistake on stage and they don't hold back and forget and stop it and reevaluate why did they make that mistake, why did I make a false move, but they just move on without giving a break. And I think that is what we gotta do, because we are eventually gonna trip. We are humans, and I think to master that without making mistakes is very difficult, because this again comes down to breaking this moment into a particular time. Because when I move on, like when I make this decision, right, there is this particular decision that I gotta make, and from this moment to making that decision and the next moment to thinking about this and then forgetting it and moving on, right, that is the path. And I think we can minimize this to the least time, but it'll always be there. And I think the most we can do is, yeah, to reduce this time moment and live in as little thing as possible without sticking to the previous moment or thinking about it in full form of freedom.